Hi guys, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, September the 30th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, and I've told you the plan was to solve 4 puzzles out of 7 in this additional, and in the evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. Well, I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Binary time, and this one will be number 7193. 7193. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits it has. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in the row or in the column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 3 1s. The 4th one should be in the middle. Exactly in the middle, because here we have 2 O's and there 2 O's. Can it be here? Otherwise we have 3 O's, or the one here, then we have 3 O's there. So exactly in the middle. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Then I need to, no, we have here 4 1s in the last column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. Then let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Well, not actually, but the last puzzle in this additional, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.